Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, HID headlights, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.